Greetings. Hello, everyone. Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel, Facebook. My name is Yeomens, the microwave chef. Today, I just wanted to stop by to discuss a few things. And I've been receiving a lot of questions. And I have a few episodes coming up. But before we do that, I just wanted to touch base. This is actually going to be a really quick video. And thanks for joining the one person that joined right now. All right. Don't forget to always leave a comment. And if you have any questions regarding cryptocurrency, AI, data science, we'll do well to answer all your questions. I hope you can hear me clearly. So today I just wanted to stop by. A lot of people have questions. So I bought crypto, then what next? A lot of people are excited about what's going on in the market. Bitcoin is going up, Ethereum, every crypto currency is on the up and up, and people are trying to figure out what to do with it. So today I have a little small presentation for those of you who have bought crypto on Coinbase and also on crypto.com. Just a little, let me invite my computer here. Let me add it to the stream so that I can do this presentation. All right. So I just wanted to do this quick one. People have questions. So you bought crypto, what next, right? You bought crypto, you bought Bitcoin, you bought Ethereum, you bought whichever cryptocurrency that you're interested in. You bought it. Now, what next? Okay, so let me see here. So yes, I'm going to talk about Coinbase and then also crypto.com, and then maybe you can extrapolate that information to wherever platform you have your cryptocurrency. All right, so this is like a watch list. This is the current pricing for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other. But I had to do a screenshot because it's a little bit difficult doing it side by side on my phone and also doing a live video. So when you sign into your Coinbase, what do you see on the home button, or you have your home button on the left, and also on the extreme right, there's something called settings. So you want to press on that setting, right? And it's going to bring you to another tab that says account, and it gives you your name and all information and everything. And then you are going to choose financial services. Okay. And this is what is very important. When you choose financial services, under that, you see all those blue um, check marks on the right hand side. You want to make sure that they are checked so that you'll be able to, how do you call it, stake or whatever crypto that you have, at least whilst it's sitting on Coinbase or wherever you have it, it will be earning interest for you. So this is not financial advice, as I always say, but something that I discovered that I figured it will be beneficial to people that already have some cryptocurrency. Thanks for joining me. I'm just talking about if you have cryptocurrency, what to do. Let me see if I can go back up. Okay, so you have let's say you have Coinbase. All right, so this is for Coinbase. You go to your settings and then you go to under financial services, you're able to select. So let's say you want to earn rewards on your USD coin, you want to earn rewards on your DAI coin, you want to and stake on Tezos, you want to stake on Algorand and Cosmos. You check all of that. So whatever coin that you have, you make sure that you check it, and then you'll be able to earn some interest there. So that's that. Make sure you check all of that, and then you get some interest along the way whilst your coin is waiting. Because people buy cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum for some form of investment purposes or for some rainy day, or they want to make sure is able to earn them some money later down the line. So that's what you do. All right. And that's for Coinbase. And then this is for crypto.com. So similar to crypto.com, this is the the screenshot of the current pricing right now on crypto.com. And also if you want to do the same, you go to accounts, and under accounts, if you hit account, you can see that it says crypto earn. You can actually earn crypto. So you click on that, and then it's going to bring you to another tab here, and it's going to ask you to earn crypto. So whatever crypto that you have, whether you have BTC, ETH, you name it, you can stake it, and they have different terms. You have 3 month terms, you have 1 month term, you have whichever one works for you. You can choose that. So at least whilst the coin is sitting in your wallet, or whilst your coin is sitting in your crypto.com account, or is sitting in Coinbase account, at least you're able to earn something. So yes, I just wanted to stop by here. Let me stop this. Let me remove the guest. So that's what I just wanted to stop by and show you, where you can actually, whilst your cryptocurrency is sitting in your Coinbase, is sitting in wherever. So just make sure whatever exchange that you are in, whatever exchange that you have your coins in, just figure out, maybe they have something similar like Coinbase, like crypto.com has, where you can earn some interest whilst the coin is just sitting in your wallet. So this is Yeomens, the microwave chef, stopping by to give you this information. You can always send me questions, send me a comment. I'll do well to answer. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. Yeomens, the microwave chef, and I would do well to interact with you that way. Here, as we always say, the information is free. You just pay for shipping and handling. All right. Have a good night.